Namaste viewers, welcome to our channel Mera Sunshine, and thank you in advance to all of my viewers because I am getting lots of positive comments. I am getting lots of subscribers on this new channel, so I am very glad to all my viewers that you are giving lots of support on this channel. And today's topic is very much important because today I am going to tell something about Surya Bhagwan. Surya, how to give worship to Surya Bhagwan, Surya Narayan. Lots of question is there in there, how to give arg, how to do, how many time do the arti, how many time need to do the parikrama, how to do namaskar, which mantra we should do. So whatever I know the correct thing, and that's I'm going to share you how to do the worship to the sun god, Surya Bhagwan, Surya Narayan. And definitely end of the video I will share very nice tips that will be helpful to all my viewers. Thank you. Today's topic is how to worship to Surya Bhagwan, Surya Narayan. In this regard, there's a lots of question are there and lots of doubts are there how to do that. So whatever I know, I am going to share the same knowledge because I like to help you all in this regard. Not everybody, whatever I know, I am going to share in my all the upcoming videos. All the videos will be based on my experience or my knowledge only. So today's I'm going to discuss about how to do the worship to the Surya Bhagwan, Surya Narayan. So first we can discuss about lots of questions are there how to do the arga, which place should I give the arg, how many direction how many times need to give the arga, which pot need to give, which if cloud is there, lots of questions are there. So I am going to solve the one by one. So first I can mention how to do arg to the Surya Bhagwan. So first you have to decide, you have to get up very early in the morning before sunrise. You have to get up. Make sure you leave the bed and your home should be neat and clean before the sunrise comes into your home. And and get up from the bed before sunrise and go to your washroom or toilet, finish your daily work and get freshen up yourself and comes out. And try to wear the white cloth or any red cloth, that also will work, or yellow color also, that also will work. Fresh yourself, neat and clean, and wear the very nice dress before the worship. Make yourself clean, that is the main motto. See, now you have to think to give the arg, how to give the arg to the Surya Bhagwan. So if you are if you are in the flat, or you can't, normal is you can go to the river, and from the river you can go to the arga like that, take the water and give the arga like that. That is a normal from the river. But nowadays those are staying in the city and those are staying in the flats and all that, lots of crowd, there's very not time not there, or is river is so far, every day not able to possible to go to the river, that's also there. So if those are staying in the flats, they can do one thing, they can do from their godroom also, or they can do from their balcony also. Clean the balcony first and can do one thing. And if you having plants, make sure try to give the water. When you giving the water to Surya Bhagwan, the water should fall to the plant. That is good. If plants, you don't have any plants, then put any big pot, plastic pot or copper pot will be the recommended. But if a copper pot is not there, try to put on big tub like that. Plastic also will do, but copper is recommended. The water should be fall on the pot. It's not like going by the drain or not that, because the water is very important. So prepare everything for your daily puja, worship. So keep a pot in your home and water you can, like that you can pour the give the arg to the Surya Bhagwan. Water should fall on the that big pot only. Make sure this is very important. Your arg water should not fall on the basil plant, tulsi plant should not fall on basil plant, or the water should not fall on your leg. That's the reason I am telling you. And your water is that but also respected. Nobody should cross the water. Nobody, make sure nobody giving their leg on the water. So water should be on the pot only. So after that you can drainage this water to give the water to any plants or anywhere, but nobody, that should not fall on the leg, or that should not fall on any basil plant. Make sure that is. So you are get up in the morning, now you are freshen up yourself, keep ready everything neat and clean, your balcony or the puja room, and keep the big pot. Now the question is, we'll give the arg to the Surya Bhagwan, but which pot I should wear? I should wear the plastic or silver or bronze or iron or copper. So you should choose only and only copper pot. Whatever the is, small, big, the container doesn't matter. You should choose a copper vessel, copper pot, because Surya God, Surya Bhagwan like copper pot only. Surya Bhagwan like copper only, right? So pot should be copper. It's not so costly. You can choose small or big as per your you can afford. You can small also will do, big also you can do. So copper pot, you choose copper pot. And in that you can put some fresh water, right? Now your copper pot is ready. You can put the fresh water. If possible, you can put the Ganga Jal. That is very good. But I will not say that every day everybody have to give Ganga Jal only to give the arga. Not every day, not possible. Those are staying in the city, because Ganga River is so far. That can be done by others. If we are staying in village or somewhere. But those are staying in the city need to like to give the arga to the Surya Bhagwan. Not able to possible to all those. So you can put the fresh water in the pot, keep the pot ready, and if possible, put some red flour or white flour inside in it on the water. Recommended but not compulsory, because if you are giving to arga with your full respect, that is accepted by the God. But additionally possible, you have some red flour or the white flour, you can put it on the water. Some hibiscus or any white flour is there, you can white flour, red flour, put it in there. So your pot is ready to give the arga. Now the question is that which side I should give. See, by your compass, you can see which side sun is rising, that is the east side, and if you have to face towards the east only. And sometime what happens, sometime winter season, sometime rainy season, sun God is not rising from, you can't see the sunrise. But then time also you have to consider the sun God is there, sun is rising from there. You have to imagine this and you have to give the arga. Before that you have to know which side is the east, and towards east direction you have to see that. Okay, now everything is ready. You know the direction also. Now you have to now the question is how you will stand, because while standing, that is also important, because your body, your leg should not touch on the ground while giving arga. All the energy you are getting, that will be discharged from your legs. You are getting energy from Surya Bhagwan, and all the energy will discharge from your legs. So you should put one mat under your feet. Stand on any proper mat. That mat should be good. For that mat should use only puja only. That mat you can use, or any cloth you can use, white cloth or something like. If you don't have mat, you can put some cloth. Stand on it and then give arga to the Surya Bhagwan. And now try, I'm not telling you to forcefully do it, try while doing the giving the arga, your try to, if you, that is leg, that is the mat and that is your leg, try to raise your toes little, so you are standing on the fingers, that is the mat and that is your leg, that try to up your toes, so you are standing on the finger, by finger you can stand and you can give the arga. If possible you can do it, that also not recommended but not compulsory. So those can do, those not able to do that because maybe some leg problem, maybe finger problem, but it depends upon how you are able to do it or not. Now everything is ready, sun rising. Now the time is, now how you are holding the copper pot. While holding the copper bottle, make sure your thumb finger, these two fingers should not touch the copper pot. Give the arga by your 8 fingers. Your thumb finger should not touch the copper pot. So like that you can touch, hold, here is the copper pot, here is a copper pot, both thumb finger, both the side, and like that you can give, so both the thumb fingers will not touch your copper pot while giving the arga to the Surya Bhagwan. You can just follow the picture, that also you can follow it. Now the question is, sun rising around, maybe as per the location wise, sun rising maybe 2 o'clock, maybe 6 o'clock, maybe 6:15, maybe 6:20. It depends upon the location where you are. So check in the in the Google, or you can set what time will be sunrise. While sunrise, the sun god color is red, yellow, then white. That time is best to give the arg to the Surya Bhagwan. Considering after sunrise, while sunrise, from there 2 hours you can give arg to the Surya Bhagwan. But if late, if somehow you're late, you are busy somewhere, you are doing job, or somewhere you came late, or you are not well, so that condition, after 2 hours you will not give. That condition also you will give the arg to the Surya Bhagwan, but in that condition you need to give arg not 3 times. Normally you have to give 3 times arg, but that time if you are late, means within from sunrise till 2 hours you can give 3 times arg. But if you cross 2 hours, then you need to give 4 times 1 additional arg. As you are late, so 1 need to give additional arg to the Surya Bhagwan. There is another question. I have to give 3 times arg. I have to go bring the water and give. Not like that. You can from 1 pot you can give 3 times. 1, then 2, then 3. Like that. If you want to go, then another 4. Okay, how many times you are giving, that is how much, 3 times, or if you is late, that you can do 4 times. Now the mean is, now you are giving to arga to the everybody is respected Surya God, Surya Narayan, Surya Bhagwan. So how to give the arg to the, while giving the arg, you can just refer the picture, but I like to show also, because see, if the sun god is coming from that direction, so your hands, you're holding pot this, and you can do like that. So sun from the water reflect, your water is pouring here, sun rays by the water reflect, that should come on your face, on your body. Means by the water you can see the sun god. Here is a hand, you can just down, water is falling from here, and from the water transparency you can watch the Surya Bhagwan. And from the sun rays, like the bliss is coming from the water, you are giving like arg to the Surya Bhagwan. That water, that energy is coming to you, and that is energy you're consuming. That's like a bliss that you are getting. And I request all my viewers, if you follow this, definitely you will get lots of bliss, and maximum problems if your life, poverty, not getting job, and any bone problem, any somebody having doing the good things but not getting goodwill. Lots of problems is there because Surya Bhagwan is a king of the planets and we can see him. So that is very recommended. Everyone, at least those who can't do the worship throughout the day, I recommend everybody to do the every day without sun god pray, should not take anything, should not do anything. Sun god puja is a must for every day. But those are not able to do, at least pray, pray to sun god or give argha to sun god Sunday. The Sunday is the day of Surya Bhagwan. At least pray on Sunday. Start with at least once in a week. Give just 10 to 15 minute time on this procedure and you can see how the problems will dissolve. More that if you having anybody is having any problem, you can comments me. I will love to share my feedback. And lots of question is lots of pending is there, how which mantra I should tell while giving arga, how to do the arati, how to do the parikrama, and how to do pranam Surya Bhagwan. These all are few things are still pending. If I describe, analyze, or discuss in this video, that will be so lengthy. So my next video I will discuss on this. So keep watching. So if you see my next video, this all 3-4 points is pending, that also will be covered. So you have almost compact knowledge how to give the Surya Bhagwan. Till then, thank you very much. Now the time is tips for the day. So I normally used to do, maybe I used to do in earlier when I don't have knowledge all that, because see, we are gone to the river or we gone to the bathroom for freshen up. So that time we have a rush to go to the some puja and all that. So and I need to go to the puja room and need to do the puja, or if you want to go to the Surya Bhagwan arga, that time everybody, including me also, I used to do, and I will not say that I am not did anything. I also did that mistake sometime, maybe. But whatever I know the real thing, so as I'm sharing you. Tips is, you are going to the bathroom, you're cleaning your body by your towel, and you're wearing the towel, same towel, and by wearing the same towel, you are came to the puja room or came to the give the arga to the Surya Bhagwan. That is very much wrong. The towel you are wearing, with that towel you should not do any worship. You should not give pray to the worship to the Surya Bhagwan also, because the towel is cleaning your body. The towel is become dirty, not clean. So keep one fresh cloth, whatever you can, full pant, pajama and short, whatever you like to, full pant, full cloths, full sleeve, full pajama is recommended, white cloth dress pajama is recommended, but as per you can afford you can wear, but that should be fresh. That cloth should be used only for to give arga or to do the worship only. Keep one separate cloth for worship. That cloth should be kept proper place for neat and clean. Don't wear the towel or a dirty cloth to wear and to give a worship to the Surya Bhagwan, to worship any of the god. That will give positive impact to you. Try to maintain that your home, and you will get lots of positive vibration that will help you and your family a lot. I always wish to your all my viewers for good health, and that's the reason I am sharing all the positive things to you all. Thank you.